It was Saturday night. I was about 8 or 9. Mom's in the kitchen fixing some food so when my uncles come over. The first uncle would be Uncle Frank. Tall, thin, like Hank Williams Sr., but he was blind. He was blinded in an accident early on. So this is a song about Uncle Frank, the blind guitar player. He would sing songs like, I wonder so ain't my life till a sin. I would let my dear Savior do. Then we have Uncle Bob. He was big and burly, but he had a voice like Jimmy Rogers. And he would sing songs like, all around the water tank, waiting for a train, 1,000 miles away from home, sleeping in the rain. Then there was my dad. Dad didn't sing or play an instrument. You could see his lips moving in the church, but I was right next to him. There was no sound coming out of him. But he could not resist a song about a train song, or just a line about an old train. So when Uncle Frank would sing, and the midnight train, he's winding low. I'm so lonesome I cry. So here's the song. When I hear those songs on radio, they take me back in time to a place I long ago. I see Mama in the kitchen on a Saturday night. She's waiting for the music to begin. We got Uncle Frank strumming on his guitar, singing I saw the light. Then Uncle Bob joins right in with waiting for a train. You can barely hear my dad holding like an old freight train. Where I heard that music was in my mom's kitchen on Saturday night. And now Mama's in the kitchen, she's frying nuts and chicken and singing an old country song. Uncle Bob and Aunt Juanita, as they walk through the door, join in with three-part harmony. I can see my mama dancing as she glides across the floor. Mrs. Ender starts twirling when she walks us through the door. And the laughter was getting louder. That room was quite small, but the music kept on playing in my mama's little kitchen. I can hear my mama dancing as she glides across the floor. Mrs. Andrews starts twirling as she waltzes through the door. And the laughter was getting louder. That room was quite small, but the music kept on playing